In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Expensify. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting a workspace is a permanent action. Once it's gone, you won't be able to recover its settings, policies, or any workspace specific configuration. So make sure you truly no longer need this workspace, or that you've already moved any important information to another workspace or exported the data you want to keep. Let's begin from inside Expensify. First, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a panel or menu that lists your available workspaces. This is typically where you switch between different workspaces for different teams, projects, or companies. Click on the workspace that you want to delete. This will open up that specific workspace so you're managing the correct one. Take a second to double-check the name of the workspace, just to be sure you're not about to remove the wrong one. Once you've selected the workspace, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. This is usually found near the top of the workspace area, close to the workspace name or settings section. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This menu is where Expensify groups additional actions and advanced options that aren't always visible at first glance. After you click the three dots, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that's highlighted or clearly labeled as related to managing or editing the workspace. This is the option that gives you access to more detailed workspace controls. Click on that highlighted option to move forward. Now that you're in the deeper workspace settings or options area, look for the choice that says Delete Workspace. This is the critical step. When you see Delete Workspace, pause for a moment and make sure everything is correct. You're in the right workspace, and you understand that this action cannot be undone. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, confirming this now can save you a lot of trouble later. When you're ready, click on Delete Workspace. Expensify may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, possibly with a pop-up message. Confirm the deletion and the workspace will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Expensify.